Crazy Red Emu here, and looks like somebody dropped off a very mangled kitty. We wormed him, frontlined him, bathed him. He needs fixed though, but he's super friendly, so we know he's not a super wild stray. Feels like he had a broken rib that's healed over poorly. His teeth are all butchered and battered. I don't know if you can tell, but his mouth is all lopsided. Although it's healed like that, so there's nothing much we could do anyway about it. He's got some patches here and there. Looks like I'm thinking he may have been hit by a car is what it is. He's long-haired. He's skinny, but it looks like if he was starving, he's been hanging around here long enough to fatten himself a little bit up. He's a big suck-up, look at that. He's all friendly. Still need to clean out his ears and probably ear mite medicine him as well. Anyway, this is Crazy Red Emu saying, stop dropping off animals! Sheesh! We got enough. Crazy Red Emu signing off.